I love numbers. And I think life in general is just chaos. And well, sometimes more than other. But numbers make sense. So if they don't balance, something somewhere is wrong and you're gonna find it. What I don't like too much is if it takes me hours to go and find it. But then you come back again to the loving bit. It's like it is wonderful when you actually solve it and your numbers balance, and then you're right.
I love, that's such a hard question for me because I just love everything about it. And it's not just like you're doing one thing, you're capturing invoices, you're putting the payments through, you're doing it it's like a puzzle that you need to now create. That's how I always try and explain accounting. And it's just amazing when everything comes together, when you've done the whole month and you see that that's all your income and that's all your expenses, and you can see what your telephones are or your accounting. And I think the main thing I really love is the balancing at the end of the month when you actually go and do your bank recons, and you just, I don't know, I just sometimes scream from joy. I'm like, yes, yes,
Right.
It's amazing.
So you were made
But
to be an accountant.
Yes, I love it. I love everything about the work. Like I said, it's not the same thing all the time. There's always different things to do.
Currently, so first I worked corporate for long, and then now I'm working with small businesses. What I love about accounting is it's a bit predictable. Might sound weird. And my personality, I don't really like things that's the same every day. But accounting is the one, it's almost like it's a stable thing. It's just something that doesn't really change that much. So that leaves space in my life for everything else to be, not have to be in that strict routine or strict thing. And somehow it just works. It just works for me and for my family. And I do like, once you get to know accounting, you get to see that it isn't just numbers. It isn't just the boring capturing of stuff. It actually gives you information and tools to make better decisions as a business owner, I would think. And also, the value of having it correct or having it done right. Must say, I like that.
What do you hate about accounting? Is there anything you really wish, you didn't have to do?
I do think sometimes the mundane, capturing someone's bank cost every month, those things. But luckily, for most of the things that I really do hate about accounting, there's now software that does it on your behalf. So you don't have to spend all your time capturing the mundane. You can actually review or look at the numbers, and
I love the way accounting touches the whole of business, and you can fix nearly every aspect of a business by looking at the numbers, which is really cool. But the part I hate is the repetitive nature. So if you're doing a set of books for people, it's the same every single month, and it has to be, because otherwise it's not going to be accurate. It's necessary that we do the same things every single month. And
it's SARS deadlines, you can't change that.
Oh, well, yes. Tax, I don't think there's anyone who loves tax. So